Airport operations job. What are the roles of airport operations? An airport operations job includes the responsible for supervising the daily procedures of an airport terminal. Airport operations job duties are airside procedures, oversee the landing field, ramps, safety, and protection of the flight terminal. If you have actually ever before looked outside your airplane window prior to taking off or after landing and also observed individuals guiding cars or accomplishing tasks on the landing, they are operating in airside procedures. Airport operations job roles in charge of managing the process of production of items and solutions. It entails planning, organizing, working with, as well as controlling all the resources needed to generate a company's products as well as solutions. Some airport operations job consist of interact directly with pilots, terminal renters, air traffic control service tower personnel, emergency situation crews and the general public. About airport operations certifications. IATA Airport Operations Training Course Management and Airline Management is the most demanded certification training course in UAE at the moment. IATA provides airport operations certification. Zabeel Institute became an IATA authorized training center in 2009. Zabeel provides the best airport operations course. Zabeel Airline Academy is a leading provider of training solutions and professional development program for the IATA. IATA is a trade body of the world's airlines. Zabeel International is a top-performing authorized IATA training center in Middle East and Africa for the last many consecutive years. Significance of airport operations certifications in 2020. Airport operations certification training course for entering airline or aviation industry. Learn what it takes to work at one of the airline's industry most visible airport position and obtain the skills you need to provide assistance and related IATA airport operations and concourse of your airport. Airport operations course provide you with a solid overview of the airport operations field and with tools to apply your knowledge and skills. It helps you to understand the role airports play in the economy, and offers a complete solution to work in operations department of airport from airside operations and landside to terminal operations. Airport operations course provide important technical skills and enhance the knowledge to reach the expertise level. Upon completing this course you will have the skills to know the history of aviation and understand the role airports play in the economy. Discover the various airport customer and partners. Gain knowledge about the multiple operational and business functions of airports. Acquire the tools to apply your knowledge and skills to your airport environment. Training facility in UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah. If you are looking for airport operations services certification course in Dubai, Abu Dhabi and Sharjah in UAE, you are reading the right article. Zabeel Institute has designed the best airport operations exam preparation course. Airport operations certification training offered by Zabeel Institute stands out from other training in the market. Airport operations exam result and pass percentage in Zabeel Institute is very high, which is increasing day by day under the constant support and guidance from the instructor. Zabeel Institute is well known for delivering several successful batches for airport operations every year. Zabeel ensures to help all students with all sorts of assistance for their brilliant performance in the exam. For further information, please contact phone 00971 4 397 4905. WhatsApp 009715052585501. Email mail@zabeelinstitute.ae. Website www.zabeelinstitute.ae. Inquiry https://zabeelinstitute.ae/inquire/